everybody's worst nightmare. Leaving your laundry in the washer and forgetting to put it in the dryer. It happens to the best of us, so don't worry. But if you are left with shower towels or laundry in general that just really smells now, and even after having put it back in the wash, the smell is still lingering, here are 2 items that you can use to effectively get rid of that smell for good. The first one, most of us have at home, white vinegar. Just run the wash with this and make sure to put the wash in the dryer and you'll be great. Everything is going to be nice and clean smelling. This stuff works great. If you feel white vinegar is not cutting it and you're not afraid of a little bit of chemicals, Autobane's your friend. This stuff works on so many super smelly things you wouldn't believe. So we use this for home cleaning a lot, but it can also be used for laundry. So if you have a bad case, so you left the laundry in for a few days, this stuff is what's needed.